Alright, you ready to start the project?
Heck yeah!
Alright, let's open SolidWorks.
20 minutes later.
Alright, it opened.
Let's go!
Alright, so we need to make this apart, right? But I need to see the other side first. So you gotta rotate. I forget every time. It's just so intuitive, you know. Is it right click? Oh, no, that's not. What errors? Have to reconfigure the image. Okay. How do we do this? Bro, we're failing. That's it. It's over. It's out. I'm dropping out. Let's go my mom. Big failure, guys. What am I gonna do?
But not anymore! How'd you get in?
Hi, I'm Bronson Jordan, co-creator of the CAD Companion, a paperweight cube designed to help you use SolidWorks. Using an Arduino Nano BLE, our award-winning design transmits data from a gyroscope to your computer. That Arduino Nano is stored in our Creativity award-winning box that transmits the data to your computer, where it can be used in SolidWorks, FreeCAD, or any other CAD software. Let's see it in action. But that's not all. Using advanced cyber engineering techniques like programming, our software can be applied to any application, even outside of CAD software.
Whoa!
Architecture, teaching. Our design has applications that far exceed 3D CAD software. Thank you.
Did he say anything?
I think he did. Anything!
Anything!
A few moments later.